Their families, no, and did they ever expect na, uy, anak ko, ganun, sisikat to, ganun, anong reaction na sa inyo ngayon, iba na ba yung treatment ng magulang?
Hindi nila na-expect yun. Actually, they're still expecting a diploma. I'll get there, Dad. Darating ako dun. Hindi nila, pero masaya sila sa nangyari dahil yun, they weren't expecting na ganito nga kasi yung band. And, I guess they're pretty happy about it.
Okay, good. Tell us naman, paano rin na-discover ang Eraserheads? Ano yung nakita nyo dito sa band?
First of all, very distinct yung writing style nila. Yun talaga yung pinaka-major factor na parang mag-decide kami to give them a recording deal.
Sa tingin mo ba, since panahon ng ultra-electromagnetic pop, ngayon meron na tayong katulong, kamusta naman magbago ba ang Eraserheads?
Technically wise, masarap na silang tumugtog, tsaka kabit na, very intensive yung sounds nila, energy. Compare dati, compare nung araw, medyo loose, medyo nagkakalat, medyo madumi, hindi mo nakapagdalag ng gitara.
How do you think Eraserheads help change the sound of the local music scene there?
I think we have created an impact when we released the Eraserheads album Ultra Electromagnetic Pop. And feeling ko, without sounding mayabang, it changed the musical trend during that time. Marami akong problema sa mga yan. Pero anyway, of course, part yun ng trabaho eh. Lahat ng problema, lahat ng glory, sama-sama rin eh.
Mga